Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Last class, we have talked about numbers and how to count in tens and ones. Now, today, we'll talk about numbers but in an expanded form in figures and in words and in names. Before that, I want to tell you something, children, that from 0 to 9, the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digits. For example, in the number 32, there are how many digits? There are two digits. That is, 2 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. So, how many digits are there? Two digits. So, we call it as 32. So, remember children, from 0 to 9, a single number we call it as digit. So, in this 32, there are two digits. Now, we'll complete the given table. For example, 46 is the number. So we have to write this 46 in the form of figures, in the words and in the names. How will you write 46? So 4 is in tens place. So how many tens are there? 4 tens. So 4 tens how many? 40 plus 6 is in ones place. So how many ones are there? There are 6 ones. So we write it as 6. So in the expanded form in words, how you will write it as 4 tens and 6 ones. And in names, you write as 46. F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-I-X 6. Now, second example. I'll write it the number in the figures form. For example, 30 plus 2. So, we have to write it in words. How will you write 30? There are how many tens? There are 3 tens. 3 tens makes 30. 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 2 ones. So, what you will write the number as? 32. And the name as Thirty. 32. So, this is one example. Now, one more example I will give you. For example, if I write here 9 tens and 6 ones. So, how will you write in the expanded form? 9 tens. So, how many you write? How much 9 ten is 90 plus 6 ones means 6. So, what will be the number? 96. And the name as Nintey 96. This is the third example. Now one more last example. I'll give the name as 55. You have to write it in the number, you have to write it in figures and you have to write it word. So 55. So how many tens and how many ones? So you write it as 5 tens and 5 ones. Okay children? And expanded form in figures, 5 tens means how much? 50 plus 5 ones is 5. So how will you write the number as? 55. Did you understand children? This is the complete given table. How you write the numbers in figures, in words and in name. So I have given you the worksheet. Just practice the worksheet at your home. Okay children? The next topic will go regarding abacus. We will write the numbers in the form of abacus tool. Okay children. Now we will write the number in the form of abacus. You know what is meant by abacus? An abacus is a manual aid to calculating that consists of beads or discs that can be moved up and down on a series of sticks or strings within a usually wooden frame. Actually, it is a simple device for helping to calculate by remembering what has been counted. Now, for example, see, we know two digits number, that is tens and ones. So, in the ones place, how many beads are there? You count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write it in the ones place 4. And in the tens place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens. So what is the number, children? 64. So I'll give you one more example. For example, in the ones place, there are no beads in the ones place. So you write it as 0. And in the tens place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write it as 5. So how much is the number? 50. Now, I'll give the number 32. You have to circle the beads and then write the number and as well as the number name. For example, I have given the number 32. So, in ones place, how much is the digit? 2 digit, means 2. So, how many beads you have to draw? 1, 2. And in the tens place, how many digits are there? There is only single digits. What is the number? That is 3. So, how many beads I have to draw it? 1, 2, 3. So, what is the number? 32. And we write it as name as 32. Now, the next example is 90. So, in the ones place, how much is the number? It is only 0. So there is no beads. We have to not write. We should not write any beads in that. So let it be as blank. Now in the tens place, how much is the number? How many numbers are there? 9. So how many beads we have to draw it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the number? 90. 90. So in this way, we have to write the numbers in abacus form. So the same thing I am given in the worksheet, you just practice at your home. Now the next session will talk about increasing and decreasing order. So till now you learn this, you practice at your home. Whatever the worksheet is given, you just